I bought bubbly sparkling water, but they had blueberry pomegranate, which I think is a new flavor, at least it's new to me. And it smells delicious, and it tastes pretty good. And it's giving me flashbacks to the purple Pop-Tarts with the little blue, like, two stripes on them that are like, I think, wiggly. Do you know those ones? That's like the classic Pop-Tart. We should get a stethoscope, and then I'll put it on my chest, and then I'll put one of the earbuds right up to the mic, and we can see if it works.
Yeah, I'll be the doctor.
Okay, everybody, please send the dog or whatnot so I can buy a stethoscope, as well as a stuffed animal bear, and maybe some Pop-Tarts. Oh. Whoa. I still feel some pressure on my chest. I'm trying to get it out. Oh. I was really trying to make that one last as long as I could.
Yeah, you're getting really good at it.
I'm kind of figuring that one out. What I figured out is, I don't know, it's kind of like a way of like contracting the throat a little bit, I guess, or maybe the diaphragm. I'm not sure, but it reduces the amount of air that's leaving.
Yeah, I think that's what like singers do, or flutists maybe.
Well, I guess I'm gonna start playing the flute. It'll all just come together to help me suck your all the better. I had to let it out. There's just so much. Okay, last one. Are you ready for the last one? You want to come for me? Oh, that was the one. That was so strong, like super powerful. It was there. I could feel something like sticking in my stomach, and whew. Wait, I think that there is more actually. Oh, come on, get out of my body. It's like an exorcism. Oh god, I think it's finally might be coming up. Oh god, won't come out. I feel the big one is like, it feels like there's pressure right in the center of my chest between my breasts.
It will come.
So will you.